metal king.
Yeah, King Sean.
Yeah. Metal king.
Yeah.
The heavy metal king. Whole big shit. The heavy metal king.
I murder you and laugh. I'm Barry Sanders slashing through the path. You a magician's assistant, I'm sawing you in half. You a heathen that rely on the beast. I'm a demon that defying, crucifying the priest. I shine over beats, a motherfucking beast on the mic. I'm a lion out the jungle, raw meat what I like. I bleed in the fight, Vinny like the taste of his blood. And I'll open up your stomach like the case of a slug.
Homie, you could call me Hot Furnace, Ill Bill, aka Nocturnus. Walk up to you with point blank range and pop burners. Walk away like nothing happened. Walking while I'm clapping, laughing while I'm talking, awesome with the magnum. Spasm with the 4-5, caution with the asthma. The OG Kush, we smoke, send your lungs into a spasm. Live fast, we die young. A bunch of live guns, get your mind flung through space and time. When we ride rough for the hills, Iron Maiden die pain.
A villain that loves scuffles and won't hesitate to box you again with swollen knuckles. I'm like that. Catch a hater like bed traps, blow his wig back right in front of the referee. I snatch you free, bump you and won't speak. If you step on my feet, you get your own drink. Eliminated my shrink just for talking. Came back and roughed up his pallbearers and made them drop his.
I'm a New York giant, attack on your front line, the shotgun clap and have you gagging on blood tribe. I click the morgue, I have another toe to tag. Chop you up and stuff your head into the bowling bag. Shoulder flag, prepare for global domination. Control the population, never fold the confrontation. I'm doper than the bundle, if you dare to try, better know I got the shovel and a bag of lime. My name's Sean, a true product of the creep code. No matter what, my heart will forever be cold. Through the jungle, my people keep lurking. Cuts it bad to the death, the fucking street urchin. We keep the heat bursting.
They gon' kill us now, we gon' kill them. We're not gorillas, we just real men.